Today we are making baby girl top with bell sleeves. Stay tuned and watch this tutorial. You're watching Momo Beginner Sewing. For further tutorials, please subscribe to us and also ring this bell for further notification in your mailbox. First of all, we are starting with our patterns. As you can see, we have 3 patterns over here. Now I'm going to explain each of them with the measurements. Firstly, I'm explaining the bodice part. As you can see, it has arm, which is peasant arm, 4 inch. The length of the side is 9 inch. The neckline, which is going to have elastic waistband, 6.5 inch, and the bottom is 9.9 inch. And you can see the total length is not mentioned over here, so I'm going to measure it, and it is around 11.5 inch. So it is good fit for 11.5 inch baby length. So this is our bodice pattern. This is our sleeves, the bell sleeves. Its width is going to be 5.5 inch, which is going to be attached with our main sleeve. The length is 9 inch and the upper length is 7.5 inch. Now the peasant sleeve. As you can see, the parallel armhole is 4 inch. The length of our sleeve is 7 inch and the width on the front side is 5 inch. I have deep down the 7. You can see the shoulder is 7 inch, but I have curved it very nicely. So this is all about our pattern. Let us start with the cutting. As you can see, I'm done with my patterns explanation. Now I am doing the super fast cutting by mapping the pattern on the fabric. Now I'm done with my cutting. This is my peasant sleeve and this is my top. This is my bell sleeve, which is going to have a little bit of ruffles over there and going to attach on the main peasant sleeve, and we have going to have a little bit of ruffles on the upper side as well. Now start with the sewing. As you can see, this is our peasant parallel. You can remember the armhole with the 4 inch armhole with the 4 inch armhole of the sleeve. We are going to attach this with each other. Now I'm opening my top and my sleeve as well and going to attach them one by one. I'm separating the pieces very nicely and I have just separate both the sleeves and going to attach it like that, the 4 inch with the 4 inch. Now I am removing the upper part and going to attach 1 4 inch with the front side of my top. As you can see, we have attached the sleeves of front side and the back side with the top peasant armhole, the 4-inch, remember that. So we are done with our one sleeve, the peasant sleeve. Now we are working on the second one, and we are going to attach in a similar way. The 4-inch armhole is going to attach with the 4-inch armhole of the top on the back side and then the front side. Let me do it. Now we are done with our other side of the sleeves as well. Our peasant top look like that. You can see that it is it has the basic structure. Now what we are going to do, we are going to fold it like that in a smaller way. Here we are making casing for elastic, so it is just like that, just fold it and going to sew it like that. I am explaining it by doing sewing as well, just watch it. As you can see, I am just about to complete my casing. This is the simplest way to do elastic casing. I've just make the partial gap over here. You can see the end and between the end and between the start there is a partial gap. Now I am taking my pin with this 0.25-inch width of elastic. Yeah, the length is still ambiguous for me because I'm going to do it according to my how much gathers I need on the upper part of my top. Now I'm going to do it, insert the elastic with the help of pin. As you can see, I am near the end and I'm pulling out my pin from here, the safety pin from here, and now I am going to uneven my gathers as much I want. This is totally depends on you, so we don't have a total length of elastic right now because it is totally depends on you. As you can see, I am measuring it and just having a tying it or going to have a little bit sew on it, and then going to cover the gap as well. As you can see, we are done with our beautiful gathers on the neck by making casing. Now we are going to have this bell sleeve thing. As I have told you that it is going to be have a simple one, so I'm just folding the end. I'm folding the hemline and going to do it on the both sleeves. Now after completing the hem fold, we have main sleeve, and I'm going to attach the bell sleeve over here by giving a little bit gathers. So here I am giving manual gathers. As you can see, I have just do a single seam and pulling out the threads from it, so it will give a nice gathers. As you can see, it is fitting my 5-inch width of my main sleeve, the peasant sleeve. Now I'm going to attach them in a way, the front side with the front side, going to sew it. You can adjust this gathers over here as well for better gathers, for better width attachment, because we need to match both with the main sleeve hemline and the upper part of our bell sleeve. So I'm just attaching them. As you can see, we are just done with attachment. Now I'm going to do a upper seam, final seam, you can see that, so it will give a nice look. Now I'm going to sew the side from taking bottom, the armhole and the bell sleeve end. This is the main points. Now I'm going to do a simple seam starting from the bottom, covering the armhole till the bell bottom hemline. After completing our one side, we are going to do similar process on the other side. As you can see, we are done with our whole top. Now we need to done a bottom. So here I am making the casing as similar to the neckline, and then I'm going to insert the elastic in it in a similar way that we have followed in on the neckline. So I'm going to do it in a super fast way, and you will follow the video as per the instruction, or you can see the neck version as well. This is a similar one. I'm just making the casing, then I'm going to insert the elastic with the help of safety pin, and then I am going to give the gathers as much as I want. So let me do it in a super fast way. After inserting the elastic, we need to cover that gap, and of course we need to join the elastic, and I'm doing this similar thing over here. Hope you like this tutorial. This is a very nice peasant top. This is basically a baby top, which is good for 2-year baby, and with the bell sleeve, this is a very nice and cozy top which can be wear on the formal dresses as well, and on the formal occasion as well, and on the casual one as well. I am going to make its paired pant as well, which is going to have a little bit gathers on it, as that is a totally different one, and it is going to upload soon, and you can make both of them for your cute little baby. Hope you like this tutorial, and Momo signing off. Please subscribe to our channel. So this is the final look of this tutorial. Hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to us, like this video, share this video as well. See you soon.